Everyone. So in this video we are going to be talking about the various different sources of new ideas that are used by the entrepreneur. So entrepreneurs uses various different ideas for you know capitalizes different ideas, capitalizes different trends in order to actually create any kind of idea. So today we're going to be talking about various different sources that an entrepreneur uses in order to capitalize the ideas. The very first source that an entrepreneur uses is market trends and observations. So there are various different market trends that actually persist in the market. There are various different opportunities, various different gaps that actually occur in the market. So an entrepreneur's obligation, an entrepreneur has this ability to actually identify various different trends in the markets. There are very different gaps or trends that may emerge because of different customer frustrations, because of any pain points, or because of any inefficiency present in the market. So in order to actually understand them and to actually create innovative solutions is the work of the entrepreneur. The second, sorry, the second source of an entrepreneur is personal experience and passion. So look, there are various different things that an entrepreneur may use to actually create different ideas. The second one is personal experience. In personal experience, it could be interest related hobbies or any kind of creative ideas that could actually spark new products, services, or ventures. Any kind of problems or any kinds of opportunities that the entrepreneur actually understands or encounters in his day-to-day life, he will be able to understand them and will be able to use those values and those aspirations to actually create or uh, you know start new product or service or venture. The third way is the third is networking and collaboration. Networking and collaboration is that the entrepreneur is usually in touch with various different types of professionals, entrepreneurs, or mentors, or any diverse group of networks is usually what an entrepreneur possesses. So, when he or she has such a diverse group of networks, they actually have meetings, they actually have areas where they share their insights, they share the potential collaborations, and because of these networking events, these workshops, or these conferences, the entrepreneur is able to actually identify and discover new opportunities, which will actually ultimately become a source of new idea. Sorry. The next is customer feedback and validation. An entrepreneur who already has his own business, or actually keeps a thorough track related to any different businesses in the same industry, he or she will actually know that there are various different customers that provide valuable feedback, which will ultimately can be used to identify and understand the preferences, needs, as well as pain points that the customers are experiences, which will help help the entrepreneur you know create new products and service, or to refine the products and service. That is, this is existing product already present, he can refine this product into something that is a lot better. So in order to do that, he or she needs to actually understand the ideas and to understand the feedback. This can be done either using feedback, survey, focus groups, interview, prototypes, or any kind of there are different kinds of feedbacks that are available to the customer, to the organizations, so they can use that. Next is because of technology and innovation. So look, there are various different technological advancements or any kind of discoveries or innovations that actually happen, and because of that, the entrepreneur has the can capitalize on such kind of technological advancements to revolutionize or to actually create new markets. He or she can actually use different technologies like artificial intelligence, which is AI, right, or blockchain or internet of things or biotechnology for information as well as for inspiration and idea generation. The next is problem solving and creativity. Problem solving and sorry, let me just